Are your snacks causing you to lose weight? And could what you're putting in your mouth be the reason why you're not getting the weight loss that you actually want? My name's Claire, also known as the Naked Warrior. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to take you through the foods that you should be snacking on, what makes a smart snack, and how eating the wrong snacks are going to cause you to balloon, put on weight, and get fat. And no one wants that. Are you ready? Let's go. So, the first thing we need to talk about is snacking. What is snacking? Snacking is having a little bit of food in between your main meals to keep your energy levels topped up, your satiety, your hunger hormones just chilled so you don't want to reach and grab everything, and it's helping you keep sustained throughout the day. What you're choosing to snack on should be like a little mini meal. It shouldn't be something that you continually eat and graze at all the time. Many clients that I've worked with have found that once they've had a look at their snacks and made better choices, then they've achieved the weight loss goals that they're looking for. Often than not, we'll find that clients will sit at home in the evening and that's their danger time snacking. So what does that look like? It means eating a massive big bag of crisps. It means eating a whole packet of biscuits. Or it could be having a big bowl of ice cream, or even just chomping out on a big bar of chocolate. That is not snacking. That is just eating and eating and eating. And what you're doing then is you're putting extra calories into your body, extra energy into your body, which then you're not going to be able to burn off. They're generally late night snacking, it tends to be poor choice foods which don't have good quality nutrition for you. And also it's those empty calories which are going to cause you to gain weight. So if you're thinking about eating to like a calorie controlled or a weight loss perspective and you're looking to tailor your nutrition, then when you're snacking, a snack should be no more than about 150, 200 calories. If you think about a calorie controlled meal, for someone who is looking to lose weight, it might be that they could be on, say, 1,800 calories a day. So they're gonna have 3 meals. So if they have about 400 calories or 450 calories in each of those, then you've got that room to snack on in between those meals on about 150, 200 calories. Snack times generally, mid-morning, mid-afternoon. Everyone's heard of, getting the 11 a.m. munchies, and people normally start to crave something then if they haven't fueled their day correctly by having the right breakfast. Also, people tend to overeat on different foods and not aware of what the portion sizes are. So that's a whole different video, and the link to that will be in the description below this video here. So what should you be snacking on? I've told you about the calories, 150 to 200, mid-morning, mid-afternoon. Try to make sure that they are protein-rich snacks. Why? Protein in the food is going to help you start to feel fuller for longer. It's going to help to control those hunger hormones, and it's going to help give you that satiety so that the carbohydrates in the food that you're eating slowly release energy so you don't get any like sudden sugar energy spikes and then the subsequent crash that goes with them. Protein in your snacks is also going to help give you energy to refuel, to grow muscle, and also to strengthen your bones. And as we age, and particularly as women, we definitely all want to have that. Protein-rich snacks are also going to help you in terms of giving you that extra fuel for that recovery, and also it's going to help with that protein pacing, so you're getting a little bit often throughout the day. A lot of women that I've worked with generally in the past, that they struggle to reach their protein requirements. And so if we can get a little bit of protein in throughout the day at regular intervals, it's going to help with that muscle growth, it's going to support your cell regeneration, it's going to support your bone health as well. And then it's going to just help to just build and get it into your diet easier. So what should you be eating? Eggs. They're a great source of protein. It's really simple and easy to take with you. You can boil them up and then they transport quite well as well. Think about also snacking on things such as hummus. Have some vegetable sticks, have some carrots, some peppers, some cucumber, slice them up, and then you can dunk them into your hummus, and that's going to help to give you some extra vegetables throughout the day as well, which is another thing that some people tend to struggle with. So if you can focus on, say, one of your snacks throughout the day, having a vegetable sauce with you, that's going to help to get you to your 5 a day as well. So hummus or cottage cheese or Philadelphia soft cheese on 1 or 2 rice cakes or crisp bread, they're a good ideal snack to have. Not the whole packet, because this is when you start to eat too many calories, you start to consume too much, and that's when your snacking definitely doesn't become smart. It becomes a calorie excess and surplus, and would be the reason why you're not getting those results that you want. Other great snacks to have: fruit, blueberries, strawberries, apples, a banana. You can snack on any little piece of fruit just to help you get through the day. Olives, again, another source of good, nutritious quality food. Mix it up with a little bit of feta cheese if you like. You've got protein sources in there, you've got vitamin E, you've got your good fats in there. And again, it mixes it up so you've got a savoury snack, and also just satisfies that savoury thirst. Some people like to have things more like crisps and crackers rather than the sweet things. So for my savoury people, olives, hummus, vegetable sticks, they're your way forward. As I mentioned before, it's the evening that tends to be danger time for a lot of people, and they crave something sweet. It's that, oh, my day is done, I want to sit down and reward myself. And so more often than not, some people will be wanting to have something sweet. Luckily for us, on the market nowadays, we have quite a lot of protein-rich desserts. You can get protein puddings now, protein rice pudding, and these are all in a good, decent portion size where you know that you're not going to be overeating. And you also get great little portable yogurt pouches now, which you can take with you and have these as a snack throughout the day. Protein-rich again, you've got calcium, and you've got other good sources of nutrients in there as well. Nuts are a great protein source snack to have and for you to take with you on your travels. This little packet here, perfect portion size. These packets here, definitely not a portion size. So what you can do is, those little jam jars that you can get? You can put your nuts in the jar. I'm sure there's a joke in that somewhere. But that would roughly be about the portion size that you would want to have for some nuts. Try to avoid the salted peanuts that you have, because it's far too easy to sit there and snack away and then demolish a whole bag, and then you've definitely maxed out on your calories. If you're looking for that savoury choice again, popcorn is a good choice to have over crisps. So try and have that in the house instead of the good old kettle chips and stuff. Other great snacks to have throughout the day. Protein bars are really good. Like I said, they help to satisfy the chocolate craving, giving you that all-important protein source. And then sometimes it is just like eating a chocolate bar. But don't be fooled by those bars which you have Mars bar on and Snickers, and they have the labels of protein on. They doesn't have a good protein bar if it's a Mars bar as well. So really try to get into the habit of being aware of what's in your food and reading your food labels as well, so you're making those choices and understanding what those calories are in the snacks that you're choosing. Lastly, other little good snacks to have: small little flapjack bars, protein bars, other little snack bars, little cereal bars. If you're choosing a cereal bar, try to have one that's fruit-free. You're going to be getting enough carbohydrates and energy from it, just from the oats and the other ingredients that are in there as well. So the secret is to become aware of what you're having in your food. Really start to think about what snacks you're going to take with you, and try to make sure that you're planning ahead so that you're not out and you don't have anything with you. It's those danger times when you haven't eaten for a long time that you're going to go and reach for those crisps or chocolate or biscuits or cake, that's then going to start to be detrimental to those weight loss goals that you want to have. Remember the secret and remember the key steps to think about. Get used to reading the food labels, make sure that there's protein in it, and also make sure that it's going to be less than 200 calories. Make sure that you always leave the house with something in your bag or your pocket that you can easily grab to keep your constant energy level throughout the day, so you're not going to get hangry. We all know what that feels like when we're suddenly ravenous and our hunger hormones are kicking in, telling us we want to eat now. And everyone knows never to go shopping when you're hungry because you don't make the best food choices. So I hope you've liked this video. I hope you found it useful. Be sure to check out the rest of my channel for more useful information on portion sizes, how to avoid binging eating, and all the links to those other videos will be in the description below. Please consider giving me a subscribe if you've liked what you see, and be sure to follow on for lots more content, and I'll see you again in the kitchen sometime soon.